Hello friends, today we are going to talk about some yogic kriyas, especially for eyes. As we know, we are taking so much stress on our eyes, right? Because of this lockdown, everybody is doing work from home and children, they are attending online classes. So we are taking so much stress on our eyes. But with the help of these kriyas, our eyes will be fresh and rejuvenated. These kriyas will relax our eye muscles. So these are few kriyas. So they are very beneficial. They will look very simple but very effective. So two kriyas we will be doing with water and other without water. So first kriya we will be doing with water, that is Netra Prakshalan. So in Netra Prakshalan I will tell you the techniques and then I will show it to you. In Netra Prakshalan, what you will have to do, you just fill your mouth with water, then close your eyes and splash water on your face, on your eyes especially. And the water should be fresh, clean. So Netra Prakshalan, how will we have to do? I'll show it to you. First fill your mouth with water, then close your eyes and splash fresh water on your eyes. Eyes should be closed and repeat it for 5-6 times. Feel the freshness. Just spit the water from your mouth, then open your eyes. Feel the relaxation. The next kriya we will be doing with water, that is called Netra Snan. Generally, we use this type of cup with Netra Snan, for Netra Snan. But if we are not having cup, you can make the cup with your hand. Just make a cup like bowl, right hand, then fill your hand with water, then dip your eye, first right eye, and just blink it in fresh water. Open and close, open and close. The same thing repeat with your left hand. Just dip your left eye in water and blink it. Repeat it for 5-6 times and just feel the freshness. It will cleanse your eyes. Actually, the water should be clean, fresh. The water should be clean. Okay. So these two kriya were with water. Other kriyas are also very effective. So we will be talking about that. First one is Netra Sparsh. Everybody must be knowing that. The technique of that I will tell you. First rub your hands. Rub your hands just like this and make your hands warm. Just slowly keep your palms on your eyes. You must be doing that. And feel the warmness of your warm palm on your eyes. This is very relaxing kriya. The another kriya is also like this, little bit different. So in that kriya, we will just keep our hands in cross positions and we'll make sure no light should enter through our fingers. Make sure your nostrils are open in this kriya. Okay, they should be opened. So these two kriya, Netra Sparsh and Netra Avran. These kriya also, when you are getting so much stress or your eyes are tired, so you do these kriyas. First one is Netra Sparsh and then second one is Netra Avran. Okay. The next kriya is Brahmadrashti. Brahmadrashti, we will fix our gaze in 4 sides. Okay. We will have to keep our neck straight. Then we will take our gaze first to the right side slowly. Then slowly come to the center and take your gaze to the another side. Now slowly take your eyeballs to the center and now just look at your ceiling. Up, look up. Slowly bring your eyes downwards. Just look downwards and stay for 5 seconds. Now keep your eyes closed and rotate your eyeballs. Just feel the relaxation. In this Kriya, you will feel the stretching in your eye muscles. Next is Drishti Sanchalan Kriya. In that, we will rotate our eyeballs in the directions clockwise and anti-clockwise. So, you just start rotating your eyeballs like this 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. Just feel the stretch in your eye muscles. After that, just close your eyes, feel the relaxation. Just open your eyes. Next is Jatru Drishti. Jatru means shoulder. You have to sit straight. Just try to look at your right shoulder. Then you will feel the stretch on eye muscles, especially on left side because your eyes are on the right shoulder. Slowly bring it to the center. Then slowly another side, another shoulder. Just try to look at your another shoulder and fix your gaze for a few seconds. Slowly come to the center and close your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Now, next one is Sameep and Sudur Drishti. Sameep means close and Sudur means is far, right? So, for Sameep, we will take our thumb like this in front of our eyes. And for Sudur, you have to fix a dot on your wall, at least 10 feet away from you. So, when you are doing this Kriya, just keep your right thumb in front of your eyes. Just look at your thumb. Sameep Drishti. For 5 seconds, fix your gaze on your thumb. And for Sudur, just keep your thumb down. Just fix your gaze on the dot you have kept on the wall. In this Kriya, you may get some water in your eyes, but it's okay. It will cleanse your eyes and it is not harmful. It will not harm you. We will repeat it. Just fix your gaze on your thumbnail. Slowly keep it down. Now on the wall, try not to blink. Generally, we tend to blink our eye in this Kriya. Slowly close your eyes. Rotate your eyeballs in closing eyes. Feel the relaxation. Now just open your eyes. You can see little bit water in my eyes, right? It will cleanse our eye. Okay. Next Kriya is Bhumidya Drishti and Nashagra Drishti. So in Nashagra Drishti, we will look at our tip of the nose, and in Bhumidya Drishti, in between our eyebrows. This will also give the proper flexibility to our eyes, and our eye muscles will get relaxation. So we will do Nashagra Drishti and Bhumidya Drishti. Nashagra Drishti, just try to look at the tip of your nose. Your eye muscles will get proper stretching. Now slowly move towards Bhumidya Drishti. In Bhumidya Drishti, you just try to look in between your eyebrows. Close your eyes and again repeat it. Nashagra Drishti, tip of the nose. Bhumidya Drishti, in between your eyebrows. Just close your eyes. Feel the relaxation. Open your eyes. these kriyas are very effective. Actually, sometimes we feel very tired and our eyes are so much stressed, and we do these kriyas, immediately we feel relaxation. In fact, you should try to do these kriyas and you will yourself feel the difference. Okay. Next one is Netra Sankoch. So in this kriya, we will close our eyes tightly, then relax. Close, relax. Okay. We will repeat it for 10 times. Just we will try to do that. Okay. You can do with me also. Just close your eyes. Relax. You should keep your eyes closed. Tighten. Then again, open your eyes, feel the relaxation. These eye kriyas will just relax your eye muscles and your eyes will feel rejuvenated. These kriyas look very simple but very effective. 99% guarantee you will not get specs if you will do these kriyas regularly. And if you already specs, the number will not increase if you will do these kriyas regularly in your daily routine. If you cannot do every day, at least alternate day you should do these kriyas. These kriyas will improve our stress and strain taking capacity of our eyes. You know that? And these kriyas help the eyes for the resistance capacity towards this pollution, many kind of pollution. So our eyes muscles will be relaxed and they reduce our lenses, specs number. So I request you to please do all these kriyas for your eyes because they are very precious for us. Thank you.